You wouldn't believe it. Just a tiny pinch of black pepper can boost turmeric's effects by up to 20 times. And if you add a slice of fresh ginger, you're basically holding a natural pharmacy in your hands, detoxifying the liver, lowering blood fat, supporting digestion, and providing powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. But the most surprising thing? You can make this at home in just 2 minutes and drink it every morning. In this video, Live Well Every Day will show you how to make it, how to drink it, and how to turn 3 familiar ingredients into a morning miracle tonic. Don't skip this, because if you drink it the wrong way, not only will the benefits decrease, but it might even irritate your stomach. In the natural world, some of the smallest ingredients carry the most powerful health benefits. The trio of ginger, turmeric, and black pepper is a perfect example. When combined correctly, they form a golden drink that helps detox the liver, reduce inflammation, lower blood fat, and support healthy digestion. Fresh ginger contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Ginger stimulates circulation, warms the body, aids digestion, relieves bloating and nausea, and boosts natural immunity. Especially for those who often experience cold stomach or digestive issues, ginger is a must-have companion. Turmeric, often called nature's gold, contains the precious compound curcumin. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, protects the liver, heals stomach lining damage, and slows aging. It also lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, prevents fatty liver, and improves bile function. Black pepper might seem simple, but it's the golden key that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, thanks to a compound called piperine. Piperine not only enhances nutrient absorption, but also has antibacterial, mild anti-inflammatory, and metabolism-boosting effects. When combined in the right amounts, these 3 ingredients create a natural formula with outstanding benefits like reducing blood fat buildup and helping regulate blood pressure, protecting the liver, preventing fatty liver, and naturally detoxifying the body, easing inflammation, aiding digestion, reducing bloating and acid reflux, especially after heavy meals, promoting better sleep, thanks to hormone balancing and calming effects when taken regularly in the morning. This isn't medicine, it's how nature heals, gently, effectively, and sustainably when used the right way. To unlock the full potential of this trio, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper, it's important to choose high-quality ingredients and prepare them properly at the right time and in the correct dosage. Here's a step-by-step guide based on expert advice from nutritionists. Ingredients you'll need: a slice of fresh ginger, about 2-3 grams, cleaned and crushed or finely chopped to release gingerol, 1/2 teaspoon of pure turmeric powder, about 1 gram of curcumin, to fight inflammation and support liver health, 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground black pepper, rich in piperine, the compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, about 5 milliliters, to soothe the stomach and balance the spice. Note: do not use honey if you have diabetes. 200 ml of warm water, ideally between 104 to 140 degrees, 40 to 60 degrees. Avoid boiling water to preserve the natural enzymes and active compounds. Add all the prepared ingredients into a clean ceramic or glass cup. Stir well for about 20 to 30 seconds to ensure the turmeric powder and black pepper dissolve completely into the water. Drink immediately after mixing to preserve the maximum amount of beneficial compounds. This drink should be taken in the morning on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. That's when the digestive system is most ready to absorb nutrients. Use it continuously for 5 to 7 days, then take a 2-day break before starting another cycle. These short breaks allow your body to adapt and prevent liver overload. If the water is too hot, the curcumin in turmeric and the enzymes in honey may break down. Overconsumption or drinking it at the wrong time can reduce its detox and anti-inflammatory benefits. And in people with sensitive stomachs, it might even cause mild irritation. This drink supports liver detoxification through bile and urine, reduces blood fat buildup, and aids digestion, especially after protein-rich or oily meals. Moreover, the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, turmeric, and black pepper help ease chronic inflammation in the body. When taken regularly in the early morning, many people also report deeper, more restful sleep at night. Important notes when using the ginger turmeric black pepper. Drink. While this drink offers excellent health benefits, it's not suitable for everyone to take freely. Here are cases where you should be cautious. If you have a serious stomach ulcer or frequent acid reflux, drink this only after a light meal to avoid irritating the stomach lining. Never drink it on an overly empty stomach. If you're taking blood thinners, diabetes medications, or blood pressure drugs, consult your doctor before regular use. Some natural compounds may mildly interact with medications and affect their effectiveness. Do not exceed the recommended dose. Overusing turmeric or black pepper may cause internal heat and symptoms like mild diarrhea, bloating, or indigestion. Stick to the suggested amounts to get the best results safely. Listening to your body and adjusting the dosage to fit your condition is the most important principle when using natural health remedies. Just one simple cup of warm water with ginger, turmeric, and black pepper, though small, can offer big health benefits when used properly. Start each morning by nourishing your body from the inside out. This is the best health gift you can give yourself every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Live Well Every Day so you won't miss out on simple, natural, and effective wellness tips. Wishing you good health, abundant energy, and peace of mind every day. And if you're looking for a dish that's easy to cook, supports kidney health, and boosts vitality in men, don't go anywhere, because right after this, I'll reveal a powerful natural remedy known as the Vietnamese ginseng for men. This dish is incredibly cheap, easy to find, and might already be sitting in your kitchen. Yet it helps strengthen the kidneys, keeps the body flexible, boosts energy, and extends youthful vitality when used the right way. What's special is, this isn't medicine, nor is it an expensive supplement. It's simply a familiar dish, but its effects have surprised many people. The food considered a natural remedy for kidney health and male vitality that we're exploring today is eel porridge with mung beans, or stir-fried eel with bean sprouts. These are simple, traditional dishes that are easy to cook, yet rich in nutrients. And when consumed regularly and correctly, they can help men improve kidney function, boost energy levels, and enhance overall quality of life. Eel is a protein-rich, easy-to-digest food that contains B vitamins such as B1, B6, and B12, all essential for the nervous system and male reproductive health. Eel also contains healthy fatty acids, along with high levels of zinc and iron, which support sperm production, improve semen quality, and reduce fatigue, back pain, and nighttime urination. Common symptoms of kidney weakness. Mung beans have a cooling property, helping to clear heat and detoxify the body, especially beneficial for the liver and kidneys. In traditional medicine, mung beans are considered a gentle detoxifier that promotes urination, helps flush out toxins through the urinary tract, and reduces stress on the kidneys. Bean sprouts are a great source of zinc, vitamin E, and folate, essential nutrients for boosting testosterone levels, improving male reproductive function, and supporting prostate health. Research also shows that bean sprouts provide powerful antioxidants, slow down the aging of reproductive cells, and improve sperm quality. When eel is combined with mung beans or bean sprouts in a regular diet, this dish not only naturally enhances kidney function and male vitality, but also helps improve sleep, increase physical strength, reduce stress, and restore stamina for men, especially those in their working years or over the age of 30.